In this video I will show you how you can fix this error inside Antigravity. And this is what I got when I tried to connect my githubmcp server. So as you can see, it's showing me error exec docker executable file not found in my path. So what this means? It means Antigravity uses Docker in the background to run certain tasks. And if the Docker isn't there, it's going to show you this error. So we have to install Docker on our computer. So you need to go to your browser and simply search for Docker download, and you want to open this official website. And here just hover your mouse on download Docker desktop and you have to select your operating system. So in my case I have Mac, so I will choose Apple Silicon. But if you have Windows, you can go with Windows and Linux as well. So let's download this. And once the file is installed, if you are on Windows, just want to double click on it and you want to install it. And after that, it might ask you to restart your computer. So you want to make sure to do that. And if you are on Mac like me, just want to double click on it and you want to extract it to your applications. All right, so this is going to install our Docker. Now we can open the Docker, so I'm going to open it. And here we go, this is what you need. So you need to have Docker like this opened. Now we can go back to Antigravity and I can click on this refresh button and it's going to detect that we have Docker installed, and now we can start using this GitHub MCP server, for example. So this was all for this video, how you can fix this Docker issue. You just have to install it to your computer and that's going to fix it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.